Hey, welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to unblock someone on X. Let's open X application on my phone, and I'm going to search in section at the bottom side of my screen, and now at the top I tap this search in bar. Basically I want to type the person that I want to unblock, tap their profile, and on their page you will see this red button that says blocked. You want to tap this button and confirm that you really want to unblock this user. But for example, if you don't remember the username of the person that you want to unblock, then go to your home page, then tap your profile picture in the top left, scroll a little bit down to settings and privacy, go to section privacy and safety, access mute and block section, go to blocked accounts, and basically here you will see accounts that you previously blocked, and again you have to tap blocked button next to the account that you want to unblock, and this will unblock this user for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.